Welcome, friend. Watch unbelievable business decisions, lessons from Nokia, Yahoo, Kodak, and more. 3 stories to boot. 1. Nokia refused Android. 2. Yahoo rejected Google. 3. Kodak refused digital cameras. Lessons. 1. Take chances. 2. Embrace the change. 3. If you refuse to change with time, you'll become outdated. 2 more stories. 1. Facebook takes over WhatsApp and Instagram. 2. Grab takes over Uber in Southeast Asia. Lessons. 1. Become so powerful that your competitors become your allies. 2. Reach the top and eliminate the competition. 3. Keep on innovating. 2 more stories. 1. Colonel Sanders founded KFC at 65. 2. Jack Ma, who couldn't get a job at KFC, founded Alibaba and retired at the age of 55. Lessons. 1. Age is merely a number. 2. Only those who keep trying will succeed. Last but not least, Lamborghini was founded as a result of revenge from a tractor manufacturer who was insulted by Ferrari founder Enzo Ferrari. Lessons. Never underestimate anyone. Welcome, friend.